Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to make opor ayam. This is braised chicken in coconut milk. It's one of the most famous dishes originating in our neighboring island of Java. The taste is very fragrant and slightly sweet. And for this recipe, you can use a whole chicken and cut it into 6 to 8 pieces. But today, I'm using chicken thigh fillets. Please feel free to use whatever part chicken you like. And here are all the ingredients I'm going to use later. Here I have some chicken thigh fillet, shallot, galangal, ginger, salam leaf, lemongrass, candle nut, garlic, coriander seed, cumin seed, white peppercorn, vegetable oil, salt, sugar, fresh water, chicken stock, fresh coconut milk, fried shallot, and some chilies and kaffir lime leaves, which is I'm going to use later for garnish. So let's make it. First, I'm going to roast the candle nut, coriander seed, cumin seed, and white peppercorn. So let's turn on the cooker first. Medium. And add the candle nut. And now I'm going to mix all together the coriander seed, cumin, and white peppercorn. So keep stirring so they not get too burned. The color is start changing, and I'm going to add the seed now. And this is enough. Let's turn off the cooker. And I move it into the bowl. So let's put it aside. Now we're going to cut shallot, garlic, and ginger. We cut it into big chunks because we're going to blend them. I apologize for the noise on the background because my neighbor have something building to do, so I can't stop that. Add the fresh water. Blend it until smooth. So let's put it aside. And now I'm going to brush the lemongrass and galangal. So now let's add the oil. First, turn on the cooker into medium, and now add the oil. The oil is hot enough. I'm going to add the paste. Stir it. And now add the salam leaf, galangal, and lemongrass. add the chicken. So we cook the chicken until halfway cooked and make sure all the chicken is covered with the paste. And if you don't have salam leaves, you always can use kaffir lime leaves for the fragrance. And keep stirring it so the paste not stick on the pan. So now let's add the chicken stock. And I put the heat up to high and until it's get boiling, and after that we turn down the heat to medium and simmer for 20 minutes. So now it's get boiling. I'm going to turn down the heat into medium and we're going to simmer for 20 minutes or until 2/3 of the liquid are evaporated. Now let's add the coconut milk. I'm putting the heat into high until it's boiling, and its important thing here is we keep stirring it. So now it's already boiling and I'm going to turn down the heat into medium and cook it for 20 minutes or until 1/3 of the liquid evaporated. And don't forget to keep stirring it. So it's been 20 minutes. Now I'm going to add salt and sugar. 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and cook it for another 2 minutes. So now it's ready. Let's turn off the cooker and let's plate it. I put the meat first. Let's put it here. Add the fried shallot and kaffir lime leaves. I take the middle part because they're quite hard. Slice it thinly. And big red chili. Because I like spicy, I like to add this in the separate bowl, the Bali hot pepper. This is optional, you don't have to add this to your opor. So here we are, chicken opor. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And if you like my videos, please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell so you get notification every time I upload a new video. And thank you so much for your support. Matur Suksma. Bye-bye.